what's up guys, Pipe on that 357 and in my nanny in London's house. Puppy! Yeah, you be puppy, no, get off that. That's my baby brothers. Look at the little Baba. Oh, not Baba. Hello, little puppy. This is Charlie, everyone. Say hi to Charlie. Say hi, Charlie. Say hi to the camera. Guessing you said hi. What is wrong with your ear? This ear, see that ear that's sticking off? That ear is always sticking off. You gonna have a lie down? This is my brothers. So let me just put this up there. You okay? You okay? No. Get down. No. Get down. Yeah. Come back. Let me love you. Well, there's another puppy in here. I'm going to pause the video until he comes in here. So, see you then. Oh, this is Teddy. Teddy. Come here, Teddy. Oh, you look sad, Teddy. Oh, you look sad. Why'd you look so sad? You can really see him on the camera, I think. It just looks like a black little shadow or something. Not Charlie. Charlie was the other dog. Puppies! I love puppies! You can barely see them. Well, as I'm recording the video, you can barely see them on the camera. Hello? There's not very much light in here. What are you doing? What's wrong with you? Let me fix your ear. Look at that cute face. I mean, you guys probably can't see it, but he has a cutie pie face. Yeah, so I'm gonna go outside and play with the dogs, so I'll be right back. Come on, Charlie. Oh, Charlie. Teddy. Come on, Teddy. Come on. Wanna come play? Come on. Well, bye. Jeez. Just in the backyard. My auntie's shoes are all wet from Charlie and Teddy. Jeez. Shut up. Let's go sit on the bench. Make sure not to step in the poo. Okay. This is just a random puppet. This is Teddy. Getting the names mixed up. This is Charlie. What? What you doing, Charlie? Hey, you're a cutie dog. Don't run away. Let me love you. Come on. Let me love you. You scared of the subscribers? You scared of the views? Come back. Let me love you. Well, bye. See ya. Welp. Oh, don't step in the pool. If you guys like this show, poke that like button with your pirates, and I'll see how you do in the next video. Peace out, boys. Panda fist. That was a panda slap. Boom.